All right, good morning and happy Wednesday, NAP fifth graders. I wanted to start today's lesson by showing you some pictures of dogs underwater because they're funny. So take a peek, enjoy it. Okay, do we see the dogs underwater? Awesome. Okay, moving on. We're going to do our song. We're going to do our 3 times 4 is 12 song, and you are going to reply with multiple choice on the Ed puzzle. Here we go. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times 1 is 5. And we know that 3 times 4 is 12. Speed round. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 7 is 49. And we know that 3 times 4 is 12. All right. Step part of 2 of lesson. Done. Moving on. Here we go. All right, what are we going to be talking about today? We are going to be doing some review of dividing fractions. So there's 2 things that you're going to be doing independently after this video. We're going back to the good old-fashioned 1 at a time. You're going to be doing the 1 at a time. I want you to do 15 of these problems. And then these word problems are going to be posted as well. Some might be multiplication, some might be division. We don't know. So take your time, make a model, and make it happen. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go over just a couple of these 1 at a time problems, just as a reminder, and then you're going to get on it yourself. All right, so 1/5 divided by 9. Oh gosh, I can't believe I don't have a touch screen right now. All right, 1/5, that's a terrible 5, divided by, maybe if I do this on my phone, I'll be able to figure it out, divided by 9. All right. Now, that's terrible. In order to solve these problems, we talked about 3 letters that we can use. K, C, F. All right, who remembers what the K actually stands for? You guessed right, it is keep. All right, I'm doing better. What does this C stand for? Change. Good job, Alex. Nice job. Change. All right, and what does the F stand for? Thank you, Abby. Stands for flip. I like throwing some personal names out there. All right. Who can type in what KFC almost really stands for? That's right, Kentucky Chicken Fried. Not Kentucky Fried Chicken, Kentucky Chicken Fried. All right, so what does this even mean? Well, that means for our first fraction, we are going to keep it the same. So 1/5. You're going to stay the same. Oh my gosh, we totally forgot to do something. We forgot that when we have a whole number, we have to make it into a fraction. So I have to give it a denominator of 1. I should have done that at the beginning. I have to have both numbers be fractions. If you have a whole number, give it a denominator of 1. Okay, anyway, back to this. So we keep 1/5 the same. Our second is change. We're going to change our division into multiplication. And we are going to flip. 9/1, or 9 wholes, gets flipped to 1/9. Gets flipped to 1/9. All right. Now, we can just multiply across. So what's my new numerator? That's right. My new numerator is 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. And what is my new denominator? 45. Excelente. So our answer ends up being 1/45 with keep, change, flip. You can revisit this video a couple times if you're having issues doing your 1 at a time. But let's go over a real quick example of what this would look like if we had a whole number first. So let's erase this. I'm going to do it quickly. Oh, it's not too bad. Yes, it is. I'm going to make my eraser bigger. All right. I'm winning. I'm going to keep my keep, change, flip there because that's always going to be helping me. So the question is, what if I have a whole number first? For example, what if I have 8 divided by 1/3? 8 divided by 1/3. Well, just like I forgot to do last time, I have a whole number here. I don't want that to look like a whole number. I want to give it a denominator of 1. Now I have a fraction divided by a fraction, and now I can do my Kentucky Chicken Fried. I can do my keep, change, flip. So what's the first thing I have to do here is keep. I'm going to keep my first fraction the same. It was 8/1. I'm going to keep it 8/1. All right, now I get to change. What am I going to change that division sign into? Right on. I change it to a multiplication sign, and then I flip 1/3. 1/3 gets flipped. Whoa, that's the worst 3 that's ever been drawn. I flip 1/3 into 3/1, and now I can multiply across. 8 times 3 is 24 over 1 times 1, which is 1. And we know that a fraction is the same thing as division. 24 divided by 1 is just 24. So my answer is 24. Okay, so now you're going to go on your own. I want you to do 15 one at a times. And then you're going to do your worksheet where some might be multiplication and some might be division. So that's that. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. It was fun singing with you guys this morning. Have a great day. And we'll keep the fun coming.